The computer needs to be connected to a home router 2.4 Wi-Fi network. Open Wainlux PC software. Short press the power button to start the machine. Wait for the machine to load the program and then connect to the computer. The indicator light changes from flashing to solid, which means that the machine has loaded the program. Change the connection mode to USB. Select the serial port and click Connect. When the connection is successful, the gray icon will turn to black. Click on the Set Wi-Fi icon in the bottom right corner of the software and enter the name and password of the home router's 2.4 Wi-Fi in the pop-up Wi-Fi settings window. The connected 2.4 Wi-Fi and the computer's 2.4 Wi-Fi are the same Wi-Fi. Click on the Confirm icon, then reopen the PC software and restart the engraving machine. Change the connect mode into Wi-Fi. Click Connect. After successful connection, the gray icon will turn black. Find the camera icon at the top of the software. Click on the icon to take a photo, and the photo taken by the camera will be displayed on the drawing board in a few seconds. The time it takes for the photo to be displayed depends on your network speed. If the captured image is not clear on the drawing board, please click the camera icon again to take a photo. When the carved object screen is displayed on the canvas, simply move the carved figure to the surface of the carved object, set the power and speed parameters, and click the Start icon to carve.